Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to use filters during Facebook Live. Now as you can see, if I open Facebook in my mobile phone, which is an iPhone, so from the home page, what's on your mind, just click on it and you are able to see multiple options. Let's say I want to click on live video, and once I click on live video, so basically what it does is, as you can see, it has opened my camera. So you can just open your camera, as you can see, but there is no other option to add filters from the as you can see my applications, there are multiple options. If I try to open these settings, you can see this setting, and the center one is like this one, create a pool if you want to create a pool and add friends, but there's no option to add filters. So if you want to add filters, you just need to download the older version of Facebook inside your mobile phone. Like in iPhone, you are not able to do it because it is difficult in iPhone to use the older versions of applications once they are updated. But in but in Android, what you can do is just download the older version of Facebook from the Google or the, you can say, Chrome. And once you download enough old version of Facebook, you might find an option to add filters during Facebook Live. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can add filters in Facebook Live.